She's a Mona Lisa. Everyone's lining up to see her. She's a Mona Lisa. Everyone's lining up to see.
What's up, guys, and welcome back to my channel. Today we are doing something so exciting. We are looking at my new sewing station. If you can't tell, I'm so excited. But before we can get on into this video, I would like for you guys to be so kind as to subscribing to my channel. And or if you like to donate, there is a GoFundMe link down in the description box below. All proceeds will go back into my channel. Any other way you go, you will be supporting small content creators such as myself. That's all I have to say, so let's go ahead and get on into the video. You guys ready? 1, 2, 3. Oh my gosh. Right here was just like a bag of stuff in my last video. If you want to go check that out, it'll be in the cards, in the description box, or at the end of the video. But there was just a big bag full of stuff that my best friend's grandmother gave me. So I went on Pinterest, found this cute idea to get a shoe shelf and just organize my stuff in it. This was at Big Lots for $12. I'm not sure if everybody has a Big Lots, but check your Walmart, Target, or wherever that has, you know, nice little deals on shoe racks and stuff, especially since kids are going back to college. They've been having like a lot of sale on furniture type items. This right here is my DIY iron board, pretty much what it was before. It was like a chair cushion type thing that I made for my kids at my old job. My mom and I had to kind of ghetto saw everything and drill just several holes and bust the plank that's under it because we didn't know where our handsaw was. And knowing me, I will cut my damn fingers off if I used an electric saw. So I just taken the rest of that filling and fabric, wrapped it around and staple gunned it. So yes, it's more sturdy and cushiony, and I am so happy that it turned out so cute. No, it's not your traditional iron board where it has that little pointy end, and the original idea was to make it across here, but then I just said, like, there's gonna be no point in doing that. For one, I don't have a plank long enough, and two, I was not gonna just go out and buy that, and as well as create something new. Work with what you got, kids. I feel like they make for the best DIY project, and they tend to come out better than anything you can buy. I just needed to move this from over there so I had more space to work, and I just found that this was the perfect spot to put them. And then I have a book called Sewing for Surgeries, a complete handbook for overlock sewing under it, just so that it's not like leaning or whatnot through the holes. I added my sewing kit container right here. It doesn't have anything inside of it except for elastic scraps because I took out the thing and put it inside the drawers, in which we'll look in a minute. And then I went to Dollar Tree and bought these cute little buckets. They make for the perfect holders for like pencils, you know, writing utensils, scissors. Inside there is the hand sewing machine. If you guys haven't checked out that video, go do that as well. Down here we have all the fabric in the world. Just kidding, we don't, but yes, we got a lot of fabric folded up. And then down here, pillows and polyfill. This trash can used to be next to my bed by the door, but I moved her over here because I always need a little trash can or something for the thread and fabric that falls out. Pro tip, work smarter, not harder. It saves me time from vacuuming every single time I sew. Hi Sergio, hi Jane. The table, nothing too, you know, extra here besides that Sergio and Jane are just sitting casually together in their happy little nook. And then I have my initials that my boyfriend and my boyfriend's mother had given me. I don't remember, graduation. Here's my plaque for 10,000 views. Woo! Let's take a look at what's in here. So this little divider container was what came into that, but then I ended up putting it in the drawer just so, you know, it kind of divides things, organizes it, and also just in case if I need it, I can easily just pop it right out, put it in there, and it'll be on the go. This was the very first container that got me started sewing, thanks to my father who bought it for my birthday. Now I just put some needles and little mini spools of thread inside of it because, as you can see here, I have a thread organizer that I cannot fit any more thread than I already have in there. So I have some in the back as well. And these are just some buttons, embroidery patches and stuff that I got just for more extra DIY projects. Down here we have our foot pedals for our serger and our conventional sewing machine. More spools of thread because we could not fit any more up here. I have the manual under the foot pedals, some contact paper that I decorated the drawers with way back when, and some polyfill that went with that sewing machine over there. The last drawer is just pretty much my electronics, my sewing templates, and some fashion drawings that I do. So my favorite part, the hanging spools. I know it's not interesting to most, but it is so lovely to me how I just came up with this idea. So my mom and I, we were walking at Walmart until we came across these 3 hanging shelves, and they were 3 for $10. I'm telling y'all, deals on top of deals. I feel like since I've decluttered this area and put those hanging spools up there, it just kind of brings out its purpose. And I think, you know, it's very decorative on its own. It stands out and, you know, it complements just the whole sewing station. Let's just say, y'all, I'm so excited for this sewing station. It's going to be very interesting and exciting for future upcoming videos. If you guys like this video, please give me a big fat thumbs up. Please don't forget to subscribe and support by engaging on my channel, liking, subscribing, commenting. And I'll see you guys next time. Mwah. Bye.
She's a Mona Lisa. Everyone's lining up to see her. There must be something about her features. You'll find her beauty goes much deeper once you get to meet her. She's a Mona Lisa.